Germination process of cashews. Use mature, healthy cashew seeds obtained from ripe cashew fruits. Ensure the seeds are free from pests and diseases. Gently remove the outer shell of the cashew seed. This is optional but can speed up germination. Soak the seeds in water for 12 to 24 hours. Discard any seeds that float as they may be non-viable. Use a well-draining germination medium such as a mix of sand, soil, and organic compost. Ensure the medium is moist but not waterlogged to avoid seed rot. Plant the seeds horizontally with the convex side facing upwards. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil, approximately 1 to 2 centimeters deep. Maintain a warm temperature between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius or 77 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal germination. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Place the seed tray or pot in a location with indirect sunlight. Germination typically takes 2 to 3 weeks under ideal conditions. Watch for the emergence of a sprout, which indicates successful germination. Once the seedlings develop a few leaves and are sturdy enough, transplant them into larger pots or directly into the ground. Choose a location with well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. Water the plants regularly, ensuring the soil does not dry out completely. Protect the young plants from pests and extreme weather conditions. Cashew trees thrive in tropical and subtropical climates. Avoid overwatering during germination, as it can cause the seeds to rot. Be patient, as cashew trees take time to grow and begin producing nuts, usually after 3 to 5 years. This process ensures a healthy start for cashew plants, setting the foundation for their long-term growth and productivity.